Hello pool players, I am excited to share with you something today. I'm about to take this channel in a new direction for the next few weeks. You know, many players I have found through the years will focus on things that are not that important, like aiming systems, when they're neglecting to work on the most important aspect of their game, and that is their pool stroke. So what I'm about to do is I'm launching a series called Stroke to Stance, where I take you through how to develop a laser straight pool stroke from the ground up. So some of you may have already seen my first video of the Stance to Stroke series that I just published recently. Other key aspects of developing a laser straight pool stroke will be covered in our upcoming episodes, and they will be vision center and stepping into the shot line, arm positioning, grip hand positioning, stroke transition, follow through, and much more. So stay tuned for these upcoming videos, as I know they're going to be very helpful to a lot of players. Now let me just say this about myself. When I started this game just over 5 years ago, I really didn't have a lot of guidance. So what I did is I was starting to shoot right away, and eventually I got into drills. Now I didn't realize the importance of the pool stroke at the time, and I started ingraining bad habits. And eventually, after about a year, I realized my stroke was not where I needed it to be. So I returned to the drawing board and started working on my stroke. Now, because of those bad habits that I had created for myself, it became tougher to develop a more fundamentally sound straight pool stroke. And I don't want you guys to run into that problem. So this series is very, very important, especially for those that are struggling with pocketing shots with consistency and playing position to the next shot. So if you're serious about improving your game, I encourage you to watch this series from beginning to end. And you can watch the first video of this series by checking it out right here. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.